Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the Aussie dollar US dollar FX for Monday, July the 20th. Well, a nice bullish day today. A nice large-bodied green candle, and that means that the bulls have made a large net gain for the day. The bulls are in the ascendancy. They've closed the market up near the high. The bulls are in control of this market and they're showing commitment. We've traded up above the high of the candle from two trading days ago, and these were those iffy candles, a potential spinning top and some sort of a potential hanging man. But the trend didn't change in the first time frame here. The trend was still up, and we know from our TA that the trend is in force until we have evidence otherwise. And then we had this really nice strong bullish day which closed above the trend line. So very significant that we've taken out the trend line. Now, a break of a trend line, though, it's very important that we consider that a break of a trend line is not a break of a trend. Trend lines do not define trends. All trend lines do is define the momentum of the trend. The angle of a trend line tells us something about the momentum, and this tells us that the momentum that the market had in this trend to the downside has been lost. The market is still in a downtrend. We still have a series of lower peaks and lower troughs, so we still have a downtrend in the second time frame, but the market has lost momentum, so we're gaining up some upside momentum here. Now, very important for this market are these previous swing highs where this downtrend began. This peak and this peak here define the trend in the second time frame, and the first peak that we're going to encounter was at 82.36 and the next was at 82.63. So that's a very important area of resistance. If we have a strong close up above that area, then the market should trade up fairly significantly. Now, just looking at where we're trading in relation to the Ichimoku indicators, we're trading above the cloud, and that's very important. The market has a positive bias, so trading above the cloud means that the market is bullish. Now, we're also trading up above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, and looking at the Tenkan-sen is pointing up quite sharply, reflecting the strong momentum that this uptrend has. Now, if we do find resistance here, we need to look at how the candle behaves, how the market behaves when it trades up here. And if we see a bearish candle, then the market could trade off, and we should find support down here around the top of the cloud. But we shouldn't preempt that. We need to watch the high of the current candle for that to be taken out. If that's taken out, watch how the market reacts up around this resistance. And to be bullish, we want a nice strong close up above this 82.63 area.